Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Quad Boss Elite. And today I'm going to do a video on an RC truck. It has been the RC truck that you have seen on the channel almost before, but I did get another one just exactly like it, and it is the Arrma Senton 4x4 Mega. It is the 1/10 scale. You guys have seen it in the channel, obviously, with me doing tires and stuff on it. That is my first ever RC truck. I got another one exactly like it, same color, same everything, except we're going to do a little different twist to it. My other one is I put a 3-cell system in it. It's got the Spectrum 3-cell system in it, and then it's got bashing battery, 3-cell LiPo. So that's the system that is in that truck. In this other truck that I'm about to show you, we're going to drop in a 6-cell system. So stock, these trucks come about 35 miles per hour. The 3-cell systems normally get it to about 50-60 miles an hour. This truck is going to go 90. Not like speed is necessary, I just want the pure horsepower. So guys, let me go ahead and get into and show you guys what the stock version of the Arrma Senton looks like. Alrighty guys, so here is our brand new Arrma Senton. Now I got these trucks on discount. It was actually the charging ports on them are they're not the American size, so they discounted them really well. Just $100 literally just for this truck. And here's what the inside of the truck looks like. You got your motor here, and then you got your, they call this a 7-cell battery, but it's really not, guys. It's just a little NiCad, and then you got your speed control right here. So guys, this is basically what this truck entails. Now the plan for this truck is we're going to go ahead and change the speed control in the motor, convert it to a 6-cell system, and then we're going to have 2 3-cell batteries that we're going to plug in here. I already have those, so we can already do that. And then we're just going to literally upgrade the suspension because we're going to have a little bit of weight on here. Now I can use the stock suspension to put spacers, but I'm going to get a little bit different suspension. But overall guys, that's really what we're going to do to this truck. I don't think I'm going to put lights and stuff in like I did the other truck. This is all this truck entails. So guys, that's really my plan for this new truck. I know this video is going to be kind of short and it's going to just kind of be me talking, but this is what we're going to do this truck. I'm going to have several videos coming out of actual components that we stick in the truck to make it more powerful and to be able to withstand the amount of electricity going through it. So guys, please stay tuned for the next video. If you guys like this video, please give this video a like. And guys, please subscribe so you can see more modifications and fun stuff like this. You can see the Silverado, the car, riding, and of course the RC cars. So guys, subscribe to Quad Boss Elite, and we'll catch you on the next one.